Good morning to all. Welcome to GPAT online classes. Today we are going to discuss about in-process quality control tests for tablets or processing problems in tablet production. In last class we discussed capping, lamination, picking and sticking. Now we will discuss the remaining tablet defects. Mottling. Mottling is unequal distribution of color on tablet surface. The causes of mottling is a drug whose color differs from the tablet excipients. The causes of mottling is a drug whose color differs from the tablet excipients or a drug whose degradation products are colored. The use of colorants may solve this problem. A dye can cause mottling by migrating to the surface of a granulation during drying. A dye can cause mottling by migrating to the surface of a granulation during drying. It can be overcome by changing the solvent and binding systems and reduce the drying temperature. Next one is poor flow. This is seen if machine speed is in excess of granulation flow. Poor flow is solved by addition of talc, colloidal silica, use of dye feeders. Reasons for poor flow may be due to arching or bridging and rat holing. Next one is punch variation. This is due to unequal lengths of punches. Unequal lengths of punches causes punch variation. Only a good punch and die control program can provide tooling of uniform dimensions. Next one is double impression. The punches which have a monogram or any engraving on them causes double impression. Generally during compression the tablet gets an imprint on it by punches. So the double impression seen when the upper tablet punch travels uncontrolled. This punch rotates again before final compression stage and creates a double impression. And also the lower tablet punch travels uncontrolled. This punch also rotates before the tablet is ejected from the die and creates a double impression at the bottom of the tablet. So these two problems overcome by keying in tooling. That is, a key is used wherein the punch fits into it and free rotation of the punch is prevented. And the next one is hardness variation. The hardness of the tablet depends on the weight of material and the space between the upper and lower punches. The hardness of the tablet depends upon the weight of the material and the space between the upper and lower punches at the moment of compression. If the volume of material and the distance between punches varies, hardness is likewise inconsistent. Next one is weight variation. The weight of the tablet determined by amount of granulation in the die prior to compression. Anything that can alter the die filling process can alter tablet weight and weight variation. So the important point is here, the capping and lamination defects are revealed by a test called friability test. Capping and lamination defects are revealed by the evaluation test of the tablet, that is friability test. So this is all about the tablet defects. Thank you very much.